Hello guys, so we're about to make my famous burritos, and my name is Seven-John Singleton, and my burritos are really yummy. And here are my ingredients. So a round bread with spots, and it's just a round bread and chicken and rice and cheese. So those are the ingredients. So we're about to cook it now. So my mommy is washing my hands.
Hi everybody, we're gonna have Seven's famous burritos. I'm so excited.
Yeah, we're so excited to eat them. That was just my first time to eat my burrito. And now we're about to make it now. And now we're video. So on the next video over there, we're about to make it. Bye. Hi guys, my name is Seven-John Singleton, and today I'm gonna make my famous burritos. And these are my ingredients. And I'm gonna put them in this spoon. And we're gonna scoop it up inside. Look at my famous burritos. So I'm making my famous burritos. I'm gonna eat all of this in this bowl. So it's made out of chicken and bread. And we're gonna put the rice too. And the cheese. Now it's time for the rice. Now it's all done. Now it's time for my rice.
For your rice or what?
Let me spread my rice around.
That's not rice.
Oh, it's these. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave. So I'm gonna put my cheese in the microwave so it can melt for 30 seconds. But that didn't last that fast. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now my cheese is melted. But it doesn't look like it melted. Ball it up like a burrito. And here is my famous burritos.
Wow, guys, look at that. So cool. Well,
Good. This is my famous burrito. It tastes really good. And when I die, you can eat it all the time.
what?
If I tell the ingredients a lot.